What's going on, everybody? This is Birchpreneur, and in this video I want to talk to you guys a little bit about Bitcoin. Now before we get into it, let's first take a look at Nexo and Abra to check on my balance. So at the making of this video, my Nexo balance is $14,270 with a total of $49.50 on earned interest. Now as we switch over to Abra, my balance is $3,453 and the interest I earned this week was 0.0007503. So as of January 2nd, 2021, Bitcoin hit its all-time high of $33,000. This only means one thing, that Bitcoin is getting more scarce and it's going to start getting harder to get, and it's going to be a lot harder to mine for the miners. Now, according to this article I found on Yahoo Finance, about $1 billion in Bitcoin left Coinbase today. According to this article I found on CNBC, a lot of the price increase comes from North American investors, such as myself. Also in this article, it says a lot of wealthy Wall Street investors are starting to demand Bitcoin into their portfolios. And another thing in this article that actually shocked me was that Bitcoin is also receiving celebrity endorsements. It's these catalysts that are making people want to buy Bitcoin more and more, because you have celebrities that are quote unquote giving people the knowledge they need to have in order to go buy the Bitcoin, or even some people who have fear of missing out, or even other people who just want to be a part of the party. So for the serious people about Bitcoin, such as the Wall Street investors and the individual investors, this is actually great news that it's getting endorsement from celebrities. But it's bad for the people who aren't going to buy in anytime soon, because that price is just going to get higher and higher. I think that in 2021 we're going to see a lot of scarcity with Bitcoin, and we're going to see the value of Bitcoin increase tenfold. Now it's time to give you guys my opinion. So with Bitcoin, for me, I don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon, unless it drops, of course. But for me, it's giving me two sources of income: one, capital gain, and two, it's paying me an interest. So it's giving me a form of passive income, in which, we all love some passive income, man. I'm Birchpreneur, it's in my name. If you don't have no passive income, you're not really an entrepreneur. I take that back. If you're not earning interest on your money that's just parked somewhere, then you're not an entrepreneur. But seriously, if you guys are scared of Bitcoin, or you're scared of missing out on what Bitcoin is going to do to a lot of people's portfolios and net worths, then you should probably buy in sometime soon. Now, tax season's coming up, so a lot of you guys better start getting into that Bitcoin, man. Some of you guys about to get like $10,000 back, man. Go into Bitcoin, put all that into Bitcoin. I'm not a financial advisor, so you can't sue me if it goes wrong. All right. But no, seriously, I think that everyone should have a piece of Bitcoin. Just like how I think everybody should be invested in the stock market, I think that everybody should have a piece of Bitcoin, because whatever China is doing to try and get more and more Bitcoin, they're actually trying to control Bitcoin. The more you have, the more control you have. It's like a natural resource. If you had all the water in the world, everybody would have to go to you to get your water. So I think in the cryptocurrency world, 2021 is going to be a very exciting year. We're seeing more and more people getting involved, and we're seeing more celebrities getting involved, and celebrities are even endorsing it now. So now people who follow them are going to be more invested, and a lot of these people are just going to be followers, right? That's just what they are. That's just what it is. But for people who are really serious about investing, now is the time to get into it. Really, last March was the time to get into it, but it's still not too late. I think once it hits about I'm not even going to say $100,000. I think once it hits about $50,000, that's when the that's when the lateness is going to start. That's going to be the beginning of the end. Not even the end. I'm saying all the wrong stuff right now. I think that once it hits $50,000, then people are going to really start flooding in. If one coin becomes $50,000, people are going to start hacking like crazy. People are going to go crazy for this stuff. So that's why you should also invest into a hardware wallet and learn how it works, and put some of your Bitcoin on there, put some of your Bitcoin into an interest account, make sure it's insured, and do whatever you can. Diversify it in different locations. That's how Coinbase does it. That's how Abra does it. They have cold wallets, and then they have their hardware wallets. They have their paper wallets. They have all these different things to hold their Bitcoin to ensure that they don't lose it, and to make sure it's backed up as well. One thing I want to answer real quick is how much Bitcoin is enough. And I'm going to just go right ahead and say that there was only 21 million Bitcoin ever made, and I don't know how many million are lost, but over 1 million are lost. Enough is never enough. One Bitcoin is not $1. You can't make more of it. So enough is never enough. So try to get as much as you can. Just know every time you buy it, it's going to drive the price up a little bit. And whenever you hold, that's going to drive the price up even more. You guys get ready for a wild ride in 2021 when it comes to the cryptocurrency world. And I wish everyone the best of luck. Be sure you go in the description below, go through my link on Coinbase, buy some Bitcoin. That way we can both get some free Bitcoin, alright? And I'm going to leave you guys another surprise. So there's a new app called Lolli. Now what Lolli does is that you're supposed to download a widget on your computer browser. Then when you go shop on Amazon or anything like that, like Nike.com, Adidas.com, they have a bunch of different partners. They give you a percentage of cash back in the form of Bitcoin. Now, if you're somebody who spends a lot of money on, products and all that stuff and shoes and whatever products, then this is probably going to be big for you, because getting cash back in Bitcoin is going to be something that's very lovely. The sad part is that the only way to earn on the Lolli app is through the web. I wish they had it in a way where you can connect your card and they know if you shop somewhere on the website, because they will get your card information, or they will get that information from your purchase history and they will just give you the cash back like that. Hopefully they're developing that. I don't know. I wish I knew. I wish I could invest in them, because I think it's a really good idea. But yeah, if you guys want cash back in Bitcoin, download the Lolli widget. I'm going to leave my referral in the link below. Make sure you use mine. All right. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I wanted to keep it really short and sweet for you guys, just bring you guys up to speed with some Bitcoin information, and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to get some free stocks in the description below through Webull and Robinhood, and you can sell your stocks and go buy some more Bitcoin. Hey, it's a win-win deal. And best of all, you don't have to pay for anything to buy the stocks. All you have to do is deposit money, deposit $100 into Webull, deposit $100 into Robinhood. They give you the stocks, sell your stocks, deposit that money into Coinbase or Abra, whatever, preferably Coinbase, because the referral reward, and get yourself some Bitcoin. Get up to speed, get on game, man. The future is now.